relations are formed. Given a set, you need to, and when we are talking about relation on a set, so given a set, we are to take the Cartesian product, and then any subset of that Cartesian product will be a relation. Now अभी हमने जो types पढ़े, we need to check for that subset of the Cartesian product कि ये इनमें से कौन से type में fall करता है या कौन सी category है इसकी, कि ये वो वाला हम कह सकते हैं कि ये this is that particular relation, this relation is identity or this relation is reflexive and so on. So सबसे पहले let us assume that we are given with a set A with n elements A1, A2 up to An. Then of course I have to make the Cartesian product, and the Cartesian product of A with itself is can be like written like this in a very orderly manner: A2 comma A1, A2 comma An, so on, An comma An. So this way we are taking all the possible pairs, and how many elements are there? Total elements, or I can say the cardinality of A cross A is n square, because there are n number of elements in A. Now to represent this Cartesian product, like ये तो ठीक है, representation अच्छी है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, but in order to make it easy, I can represent this Cartesian product as a matrix, which is quite logical, because for any matrix say Aij, for any matrix A, the Aijth component will be Ai comma Aj. This pair belongs to the Cartesian product A cross A, right? I can easily represent this. You don't be confused with this symbol of the matrix. Let us just say this as n. Okay, so this is the matrix that we are going to make with the help of all the elements of A cross A by writing the ijth component of the matrix as the pair which is Ai comma Aj for for some I and j, and the elements are from A cross A. What will be the order of this matrix? If I have to talk about the order of this matrix, this will be n cross n, correct? Because I is running from 1 to n, j is also running from 1 to n, so I will have n number of rows and n number of columns. So the order of this matrix will be n cross n. Let us quickly make the diagram or the matrix. So the matrix M will be A1 comma A1, A1 comma A2 till A1 comma An, A2 A1, A2 An, and lastly An A1, An An. Right? So this is the matrix representation of the Cartesian product A cross A. Keep in your mind that we are not talking about relations still, right? अभी हम सिर्फ matrix representation दे रहे हैं किसको? Cartesian product को. Now you see the diagonal element will have, this diagonal element will have the components or will have the pairs with same components. So the diagonal element will be A11, A1, 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 A2, A2, and An, An, and then we have rest of the elements. All the elements are there. N square elements will be there in this matrix. This matrix can also be represented, or this matrix can also be written as this form, where I am extracting these n elements, right? These are n boxes, and I am writing separately these elements here. These are n boxes, right? N boxes, and then the rest of the elements I am putting as, suppose A1, A2, A2, A1. So what I am doing is I am picking up one element from here, then this element corresponding, one element here, then other corresponding element, and like this. So what I am doing is I am extracting Aij and putting it here, and then Aj comma Ai I am putting just below this element, right? Now total elements are n square. I have already counted, these will be n. What I am left with here is n square minus n, and again I have divided this portion in two parts. So here I have n square minus n by 2 different boxes, if I am putting them in boxes, right? So in total I have n plus 2 times n square minus n, that means n square elements. So this is nothing but some kind of representation of your Cartesian product. This is the matrix representation, which is quite logical, and this is, you know, something else that we did by extracting all the elements on the diagonal अलग से, and then जो non diagonal elements थे उनको इस तरह से place कर दिया. Now whatever I am going to do is applicable on both the diagrams, right? So whatever you feel comfortable, कि आपको matrix में comfortable है आप उसमें करो. अगर आपको ये वाला डायग्राम अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप इसमें काउंटिंग करो, बट वट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज एलिजिबल फॉर बोथ द डायग्राम. सो लेट अस जस्ट स्टार्ट काउंटिंग डिफरेंट रिलेशंस. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू काउंट द रिलेशंस. आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग द पेयर ai comma aj by aij फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी. नाउ आई ऑलरेडी नो दैट यहाँ के इस बॉक्स के अंदर वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आएंगे दैट आर रिलेटेड टू देमसेल्व्स, और इसके अंदर ऊपर ai comma aj टाइप और इसमें aj comma ai टाइप. नाउ यू सबसे पहले तो in order to count, सबसे पहले we have to understand how many ways we can do something, you know, how many ways we can count things. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा, either I can choose an element or I can not choose an element. So suppose, so there are two ways. Suppose 0 is for choosing and 1 is for not choosing. Either I can choose the element or I can not choose the element. Here what, in this box, in this particular box, what are the possibilities, what are the ways? Either I am not choosing any of the element, मतलब a i j भी नहीं है मेरे रिलेशन में, a j i भी नहीं है रिलेशन में. I am choosing a i j only, nothing else. I am choosing a j i only, nothing else, and I am choosing both of them. So there are 4 ways for this box, and there are 2 ways for this box. Now the very first thing, type A relation, which is the identity relation. In order to count the identity relation, what you need to do is you need to pair every element with itself only. And how many ways you can do that? In one way, एक ही simple straight तरीका है, आपके पास जितने भी number of elements उनको उसी के साथ relate कर दो and nothing else, and you will get an identity relation. So given any set, the number of identity relation will always be 1. Next is number of reflexive relation. Number of reflexive relation. Now in reflexive relation, you have to choose all the elements that are related to themselves and extra, right? So you have to choose all the elements from here. So this can be done in one way, or there are only one type in one way, right? Then from this box, this is up to you. You can choose them or you cannot choose them, and there are 4 different ways. So I can say that number will be 4 raised to the power n square minus n by 2, right? This is how we are going to count the reflexive relation, and this will become 2 raised to the power n square minus n, right? So this is simple calculation. So number of reflexive relations, I have to choose all the elements from here. You remember 0 is for not choosing and 1 is for choosing. So I have to सब में मुझे 1 1 1 टच करना पड़ेगा. If this is some kind of वो है आपका स्क्रीन है, टचेबल स्क्रीन है, where I have to touch 1 if I am choosing the box. So सब में 1 1 1 चूज करना पड़ेगा. Product will be 1. और यहाँ पर मेरे पास 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. I can do whatever I feel like, right? मेरा मन करे तो मैं चूज नहीं कर सकती. जैसे मैंने सपोज मैंने फर्स्ट जो कंपोनेंट था, सपोज a1 a2 और a2 a1, मैंने इनको चूज नहीं किया. आई टच 0 0. बट सेकेंड वाले में मैंने दोनों को चूज कर लिया. थर्ड वाले में मैंने एक को चूज किया, एक को नहीं किया. सो आई कैन डू एनीथिंग वट एवर आई फील लाइक. सो दैट इज वाई द नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन, reflexive relation will become this much. Similarly, number of irreflexive relations. Number of irreflexive relations. In this, I do not have to choose these elements. मुझे ये choose नहीं करने हैं. Remember, identity and irreflexive, they have empty intersection. So ये choose नहीं करने. I have to touch 0 0 0 everywhere. But here I have 4 ways. So the number, total number will be 4 raised to the power n square minus n by 2, and again this is 2 n square minus n. This can be done in one simple way, so 1 multiplied by, right? I'm not choosing anything, so this is one way. And this is in this box I have 4 options, and I am counting all of them to get the number of irreflexive relations. So ये हो गया हमारे टाइप ए टाइप बी की काउंटिंग. नेक्स्ट टाइप सी. नेक्स्ट टाइप सी. सो सबसे पहला है नंबर ऑफ सिमेट्रिक रिलेशंस. सो इन सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन यहाँ पर मेरे पास ऑप्शन है, आई कैन चूज ए आई कॉमा ए आई, और आई कैन नॉट चूज देम. सो द नंबर इज 2 raised to the power n. Right? You remember symmetric relation, the definition is A related to B implies B has to related to A. But in this box what you need to do is, क्या क्या कर सकते हो आप. Suppose you are choosing AI comma AJ, that means you have to choose AJ comma AI there. So there are, I can say I all together I am skipping that element. AI comma AJ मैं choose ही नहीं कर रही. एक तरीका ये हो गया. दूसरा, if I am choosing AI comma AJ, I have to choose AJ comma AI, right? और मतलब अगर मैं AI AJ चूज कर रही हूँ तो AJ AI जबरदस्ती मुझे रखना पड़ेगा अपने उसके अंदर, अपने रिलेशन के अंदर. एंड लास्टली आई एम चूजिंग बोथ ऑफ देम. देयर आर ओनली 2 ways, आइदर आई एम चूजिंग बोथ ऑफ देम और आई एम नॉट चूजिंग एनी ऑफ देम, है ना. एक को तो चूज करके नहीं रख सकती ना. आई कैन नॉट हैव एनी पेयर AI कॉमा AJ और फिर AJ कॉमा AI है ही नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकती. सो देयर आर ओनली 2 ways, आइदर आई एम चूजिंग फ्रॉम I'm choosing both of them or I'm not choosing anything. So the number is here 2 raised to the power n square minus n by 2. Right? You can simplify this to get 2 raised to the power summation n, and which is very easy. दिख रहा होगा आपको. So symmetric relation में क्या किया हमने, ये जो हमारा diagonal था हमारी matrix का, या ये वाला जो portion था, इसमें I have option, I can choose or I can not choose. So there are 2 ways. Number 2 raised to the power n. Here I also have 2 choices, either I am skipping both the elements or I am choosing both the element. Midway कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is the number of symmetric relation. Next, number of asymmetric relation. In asymmetric relation, if A is related to B, then B should not be related to A. So the very first thing is, यहाँ पर आपको क्या choose करना पड़ेगा. If I am, you know that asymmetric it will imply irreflexive, तो यहाँ से तो मुझे कुछ भी चूज नहीं करना पड़ेगा, है ना. I'm not choosing anything, so this is one way only. One here, if I'm now I have options. If I am skipping both of them or I am choosing one of them, either I am choosing AIJ or I am choosing AJI, दोनों एक साथ नहीं कर सकती. So there are 3 ways. या तो मैं skip ही कर दूँ दोनों को, मुझे चूज ही नहीं करना कुछ, या फिर मैंने AIJ चूज किया है बस सिर्फ उतना ही, या फिर मैंने AJI चूज किया है और कुछ नहीं. दोनों में एक साथ चूज नहीं कर सकती in order to make an asymmetric relation. So there are 3 options or 3 ways, and the number 3 raised to the power n square minus n by 2, and this is I think 3 raised to the power summation n minus 1, right? So this is the number of asymmetric relation on a given set with n number of elements. Next है number of antisymmetric elements or antisymmetric relations. Number of antisymmetric relations. Now in antisymmetric relation, if I am choosing A comma B, वो तभी मैं चूज कर सकती हूँ, या if I am choosing A comma B and B comma A, तो मेरा A और B has to be equal. So suppose you are choosing AI comma AJ, right? तो आपने AI comma AJ चूज कर लिया. Now if in your relation AJ comma AI is present there, then AI comma AJ has to be equal, right? And which is not possible. Equality वाली सारी केसेस तो हमने यहाँ रखे हैं ना, इधर कुछ भी नहीं रखा हुआ उस हिसाब का. यहाँ पर भी I can not choose both of them together, मतलब AIJ और AJI हम एक साथ नहीं चूज कर सकते, because if the relation is antisymmetric, this will force the component to be equal. AI has to be equal to AJ, but this box is strictly for unequal components. I have option, यहाँ पर तो मेरे पास option है, मेरी मर्जी. If I'm choosing A comma A type or I'm not choosing A comma A type. So there are 2 raised to the power n numbers, and here again either I'm skipping both of them I'm choosing AI comma AJ, not choosing anything else. I'm choosing AJ comma AI, not choosing anything else. I cannot choose both of them together because that will force them to be equal and इस box में equality नहीं हो सकती. So again there are 3 ways and the number is this much, right? So this is 2 raised to the power n into 3 raised to the power summation n minus 1. So this is how we do counting. Lastly we are left with transitive relation. As such अभी तक transitive relation को count करने के लिए कुछ ऐसा simple सा formula नहीं निकला है, but if you want to remember, you can remember this phrase that the number of non-transitive relation on a set with 2 element are 13. So मुझे नहीं पता आप कैसे इसको याद रखोगे, but if you have to count non-transitive relation on a set with only 2 elements, the number will be 13. So with this I am going to stop the video. बहुत हो गया आज के लिए and I hope you understood something from here. If you did, hit the like button. If a subscriber, consider subscribing my channel. Hit the bell icon also so that you get the notification for the next video. We meet next. Take care. Bye bye.